If you're looking for additional ways to earn income without going to a traditional job, then this is the video for you. These side hustles can either be super part-time, or if you want to beef it up and take it to the next level, you could do that too. Now, these side hustles are in no particular order, but they are the 5 that I currently have my eye on. And if you stick with me until the end, I have a few bonuses too. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome back to the Lifestyle Design Show, the #1 place for young adults to learn about personal finance and entrepreneurship. Alright, so the first side hustle is Amazon Print on Demand, also known as Merch by Amazon. And on this platform, you could sell custom apparel with $0 to start. Here's how it works. You start by going to merchbyamazon.com. You then select the products that you want to sell. You upload your artwork, and you can make art on Canva, Photoshop, or you can physically draw something and then scan it and then upload it that way. Then you add your titles and your descriptions, and from there you could sell shirts on Amazon like these, and Amazon will print and fulfill your order for you without you doing anything. Now, I haven't personally started this side hustle yet, but I definitely have my eye on it. Talk about passive income. Now, if you want to do some competitive research, here's how you do that. And that's by checking other products' best seller ranking. And the lower the number, that means the more sales they're getting. All right, moving on to #2, it's Amazon Mechanical Turk and other academic surveys. Amazon MTURK is a crowdsourcing platform by Amazon where workers can complete jobs and tasks that computers can't. And it's super easy to sign up if you already have an Amazon account. Now, the pay overall is usually pretty low, but there are some really well-paying academic surveys that you can sign up for and complete through this platform. The trick is to always be looking because these jobs don't stay on there forever. I personally have one of these academic interviews that paid $27 per hour, and I was interviewed for a total of about 12 hours. So the pay there was super good. Now, there are other sites that are similar to Amazon Mechanical Turk. One example is focusgroup.com. And another platform that's similar to MTurk is the app called Steady. And apparently, with the Steady app, users will make an additional $5,000 annually. #3 is the app called Ibotta. And Ibotta is another example of passive income because all you do is you scan your receipts after you go grocery shopping. And from there, you qualify for rebates and cash back. And this is real cash we're talking about. For every shopping trip, you can easily make about $5 to $10. And per year, I wouldn't be surprised if you were able to net over $300 in passive income. And here's how it works. Before you go to the grocery store, go on the Ibotta app and see what offers they currently have. And when you see something that it looks like you might buy, go ahead and click the plus symbol and add it to your list. And then when you go to the grocery store, simply buy those products. And when you get home, snap a picture of your receipt, and that's pretty much it. And one of my favorite things about Ibotta is all of the bonuses. There's a $20 sign-up bonus after you scan your first receipt, and there's a referral bonus every time you invite your friends and family. So you can really stack up the cash with the Ibotta app. And I personally have been using it for about 2 years, and I've made over $1,500. And remember, passive income is worth more than active income is. All right, #4 is YouTube. Now, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this one, but YouTube can be a great side hustle. And all you have to do is create content about topics that you're passionate about and lean into your interests. And here's some of the ways that you can monetize a YouTube channel. And #1 is obviously YouTube ad revenue. And I'm personally earning around $1,000 per month from this side hustle. #2 is affiliate marketing, putting links in the description. #3 is with sponsorships. And #4 is by selling your own products, whether it's a digital product or it's a physical product like Chamberlain Coffee. And #5 is social media management. And this is in high demand. Now, I would recommend getting started on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. And there's various different jobs that you can do within this industry. An example is you could do hashtag research, or you can do actual social media management for businesses and influencers. Now, if you're using Fiverr, it's really important to work towards Fiverr Pro because that's how you're going to be able to scale this side hustle. Now, when you're building your Fiverr profile, it's important to offer 3 to 5 different services. It's also important to add graphics, a thorough description of the service that you're offering, and a picture of yourself. But something to note is that Fiverr takes a 20% cut of what you earn. Now, if you go the Upwork route, it's a little different because you'll be applying to different services that people need help with. The customer is listing what services they need. The Upwork fee structure is also a little different. Upwork will take 20% from the first $500 that you bill your client. Then they'll take 10% on your earnings from $500 to $10,000. And then from $10,000 and up, they'll take only 5%. Now, I'm a social media manager myself for a local business, and I gotta say, it's not really passive income, but it is an online side hustle. And for people that are a little younger, it's easier for us to learn what's involved in a social media management / marketing position. Now, as a thank you for sticking with me until the end, I have a few bonus side hustles. And the first bonus side hustle is called credit card churning. So if you're over the age of 18, you can start signing up for credit cards on your own and getting the sign up bonus that comes along with it. And some great examples is the Chase Freedom Flex, which is the card I just got, and they'll give you $200 when you spend $500 in the first 3 months, which is very attainable. Another great example is the Discover It card, which will give you a $50 sign-up bonus, and you'll get 1 to 2% cash back on all of your purchases. And at the end of your first year, they're going to do a cash back match. So I personally made close to $400 from this side hustle in my first year. Credit card churning is very passive, it's very easy, and it builds your credit. But make sure not to sign up for a new card too close to each other. Wait about 6 months to 9 months to let your credit score recover, because every time you sign up for a new card, you get a hard inquiry on your credit score. So you want to give your credit score a little bit of a breather in between signing up for new cards. The next bonus is being a freelance drone photographer. Now, this isn't online, but it's a great side hustle because you can make a lot of money and you are very flexible with your schedule. You're basically your own boss. Now, of course, you're going to need a drone, but they're not too big of an investment, anywhere from $500 to $1,500. And you're also going to need your FAA license, which just lets you operate a drone here in the United States. And that's not too hard to get either. All you have to do is learn the drone, which is pretty easy. And then from there, you could start getting clients. And you could charge anywhere from $200 per hour up to $5,000 per session. It's a very lucrative and fun side hustle. And the last bonus is Uber and Uber Eats. So I have some experience with Uber Eats specifically. And I found you can make anywhere from about $12 an hour all the way up to around $25 an hour. The key for maximizing your earnings is to get the bonuses from the Uber app. And now let's briefly talk about regular Uber, driving people. And although I don't have any personal experience with this, I've heard that you can make anywhere from around $30 an hour all the way up to around $100 per hour. And that right there is basically doctor money. So those are some of my favorite side hustles. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite and if you have experience with any of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to demolish the like button, smash the subscribe button, and make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm posting over there pretty much every single day. Thanks again, and I'll catch y'all next time. Side hustles. We love hustling on the side. Making that income, passive and active. We're saving for our future. We're building our fortunes. We're retiring early. We're investing in stocks and real estate and crypto. We're working hard right now so we don't have to in the future. Financial independence, retire early. Side hustles.